Hi, welcome to Coming Attractions for week 5. I know it's hard to believe, but this term is just flying by. And before you know it, it will be the end of this course. So it's really important to take stock of where you are this week. Figure out what you might be missing. Set up an appointment with me, and let's talk about how to get you to the finish line. I know the finish line is sort of a moving target, but don't worry, we can do it. So, what's going to happen this week? Well, this week we're doing the IRB and CITI training. CITI is a program that helps to study human subjects, the limitations, and how to best treat everyone to make sure that we do no harm as we try to find out more about the world around us. So, you're going to understand the significance of human subjects. You are going to understand the overall IRB process, which is pretty daunting, but it's incredibly interesting, and there's a lot to discover there. You're going to also look into informed consent forms, something that's important, even if you're not submitting to the IRB. And you should know that your IRB is not being submitted formally. It's simply a process to help you to pull the pieces of your research to date together. You are going to look at some videos, and you're reading chapters 6 and 7 in your text. You know, the one where you copy the entire HTTPS address, put it in a new window, and it'll bring you right to the book. And you're reading chapters 6 and 7. You are going to keep working on your draft. Remember, this is every week, submit the draft. You're also going to finish your CITI training, which takes a couple of hours. You don't have to do it in a single sitting. But this will give you some exposure to the elements of research and what it means to other human beings. If you have any questions, you know I'm always here to help you. I also want to wish you and yours a happy and safe holiday. Thanksgiving is really important. It's a time for gratitude, but it's also a time for us to take stock of where we are. Though you may not feel research is something to be incredibly grateful for, I think in the coming months, as you close in on your graduation date, you will begin to understand this is an opportunity, an incredible opportunity. Thank you so much, and I want you to know when I count my blessings, I count all of you. Take care.